everybody, I'm Cindy from Lynn Meadows Discovery Center, and today we are in the Lynn Meadows kitchen, and today we are cooking up some really yummy treats. But before we start cooking, I want to make sure that everybody knows some of the rules that you have to follow when you cook. And the number one rule is you always wear your chef's hat. And so, with that being said, the second rule to follow is always making sure that you wash your hands for at least 20 seconds using soap and water. And I've already done that, so we are ready to go. And today we are going to be making some yummy fruit and cracker pizzas. Yes, that's right. You can actually put fruit on a cracker with some other yummy stuff and call it a pizza. How many of you like pizza? Me too! I love pizza. So this is just a new twist on some of our favorites. All right, so the first thing we need to do is have our ingredients ready. And our ingredients to make our fruit and cracker pizzas is to have some fruit. And so you just pick any kind of fruit that you like. So today I have strawberries, I have a banana, I have some blueberries, and I have some kiwi. And if you've never seen a kiwi before, it's just this little fuzzy fruit, and you have to cut that fuzzy skin off in order to enjoy the deliciousness that's inside of here. All right, so we are ready to go. So the first thing you have to do is you have to wash and cut your favorite fruits. So I'm going to take my strawberry, and I'm going to cut off the little green area, which is the leaves, and then I'm just going to cut my strawberry into just little bite-sized pieces. All right, I'm going to set it over here on my chopping board. I'm going to probably make about 4 of these little fruit pizzas. So I want to make sure I have enough fruit cut. So I think 2 strawberries should be plenty for my 4 pizzas. Now I'm going to take my banana. I'm going to peel my banana. And then I'm going to cut my banana, and I can cut my banana however I choose. I can cut it in little round circles, I can cut it in triangles, I can cut it in any way I want. So these are my little bananas, they're in circles, but I'm going to cut my circles in half so that I've got plenty of room on my pizzas. So these are my little pieces of banana. Now, these are my delicious blueberries, and they are so plump and juicy and yummy. So I really don't have to cut these. So I'm just going to set these over here. Now for the kiwi. All right, what I do to cut my kiwi is I cut the ends off because they have like a stem. So I'm cutting my 2 ends off, and then now, boys and girls, this is a sharp knife. You probably have to have a sharp knife to cut a kiwi. So before you go using a sharp knife from the kitchen, you have to make sure you get permission from your parents, or you get a grown-up to help you actually cut the kiwi. So now that my ends are cut off, then I just cut the skin off of the outside of my kiwi. And that just takes a little tiny bit of time. But once that skin is cut off, the delicious fruit that is waiting inside here is amazing. So here's the inside of my kiwi. It's beautiful, and I think it's perfectly ripe. So now I'm just going to cut my kiwi into some small, bite-sized pieces. And here's my kiwi cut into small pieces. And I think that'll be just the right size for my pizza. I'm going to set these over here. All right, that's the kiwi ready to go. Now, the best part of our pizza is cream cheese. And cream cheese comes in all different styles. You can buy it in a block, and it comes in a little box, and you have to unwrap it. Or you can buy it in a tub. Sometimes when it's in the tub, it's just a lot easier to use. So this is my tub of cream cheese. So I have my cream cheese. I have my cracker. Now I'm going to use a butter knife because it's going to be a lot easier to smooth on that cream cheese onto my cracker with a butter knife. And you use as much cream cheese as you like. Some people really love cream cheese, so they may want to put a whole lot of cream cheese. I like cream cheese, so I've got a nice big amount on my pizza. Now, I'm just going to take my favorite fruits and I'm just going to put the toppings on. And so, oh my goodness, that little piece just got away from me. So I'm going to take this strawberry, stick it right there. I'm going to take a blueberry, stick it right there. A little piece of banana is going to go over here. And a piece of kiwi over here. Doesn't that look delicious? And look at that pizza. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to eat this. But I think I'm going to save it for after I eat my dinner tonight. So I'm going to wrap it up and put it in the refrigerator. I hope you enjoyed my recipe about how to make a fruit and cracker pizza. And I hope yours tastes as yummy as I know this one is going to taste. Thank you.